Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy a Papa John's gift card online. Open the website papajohns.com, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, scroll down to the bottom. At the bottom, you will see a section for Help. Under Help, you will see an option for gift cards. Click on Gift Cards. On this page, you will see a button that says Buy e-gift card. Click on Buy e-gift card. Now, select for whom the gift card is. If it's for a friend, enter your friend's name and your name. But if it's for your, click on the For Me tab. Then click on the Send a Digital Card button. Next, select the design of your card. Click on the particular design you wish to select, then click on How much. Now, select the amount and quantity of your card. Then click on the button that says Add a message. Here, you could add a personalized message. But it is just optional. If you're also sending this gift card to a friend, enter the recipient's email both on the first and second field. You could also change the delivery date. However, if you're sending it to yourself, just skip this part. Then click on Add to Cart. Here, review your card. If it looks good, click on Checkout. Now on this page, enter your contact information such as your email and phone number. Also, enter your credit card information and billing address. After entering all the necessary information, click on Place My Order. That's how you buy a Papa John's gift card online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.